Hello everyone, and welcome to our final revision for the first term. Today, we are going to revise the most important parts of the exam in a very easy and simple way. We will focus on understanding, not memorizing, so you can solve the exam with confidence. Let's start together and do our best. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's begin with the first kind of question, the listening question, and how to deal with the listening question. And this is a very important point to deal with this question in a good way and answer it in a correct way. To answer it easily, you should follow some steps, simple steps. Number one, before listening, read the question carefully and look at the choices and try to understand what the question is about. This will help you know what to listen for. Step 2, listen carefully for the first time. Don't panic. If you don't understand every word, just try to understand the general idea. Step 3, listen for the second time. Now, focus on important words like names, numbers, places, and actions. These words usually help you find the correct answer. Step 4, choose the answer that matches what you heard. Don't choose an answer just because it looks easy. Finally, stay calm and confident. Listening need concentration, not fear. Okay? The more you practice, the better you become. Okay, the second part of a question, this is reading questions. Okay, choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1, the opposite of the word credible is, try to think. Excellent. Incredible. Incredible. The second question, we form the adjective from the noun respect by adding the suffix. Yes, full. And this is respectful. Number 3, the synonym of the word special is, the synonym, it means the same meaning of the word special is, yes, unique. The suffix blank is added to the adjective definite to form the adverb. The suffix, yes, excellent, ly, definitely, definitely. Okay. Number 3, read and complete the text with the words in the box. And this is filling gaps. After reading this passage correctly, you can choose and decide the correct answer. Okay. Welcome to Luxor, everyone. My name is Hassan, and I'm your, try to think. Yes, and I am your tour guide today. We will explore famous temples and ancient sites along the Nile. Many of these buildings were made for powerful, yes, try to think with the answer. Yes, powerful pharaohs. Long ago, they were used as royal tombs to protect kings after death. These places tell the story of Egypt's rich history and culture. Tourists enjoy learning about them. Number 4, Read the following text, then answer the questions. Ahmad Zwail. Ahmad Zwail was one of the greatest Egyptian scientists in modern history. From a young age, he loved science and worked hard to achieve his dreams. He studied at Alexandria University and later continued his education abroad. Zwail became a professor of chemistry and made an important scientific discovery called the femtosecond. This discovery helped scientists study chemical reactions in a very short time. Because of his hard work and dedication, Ahmad Zwail won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1999. He became a role model for many young people. Zwail believed that education, patience, and determination are the keys to success. He always encouraged students to read more, work hard, and never give up on their goals. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. Ahmad Zwail became famous because of his excellent scientific discovery. Number 2. The word role model in the text means role model. Sure, someone to follow and learn from. Okay. B. Answer the following questions. What is the main idea of the text? Try to think. What is the main idea of the text? Okay. I want you to think in the main idea, not just a title. Not Ahmad Zwail, just Ahmad Zwail. This is a title, not a main idea. For example, maybe Ahmad Zwail was a great Egyptian scientist whose hard work, discoveries, and dedication made him a role model for young people. Okay. Number 4. How did Ahmad Zwail achieve success in his life? How? He achieved success through education, hard work, patience, determination, and continuing his studies both in Egypt and abroad. Number 5. What advice did Ahmad Zwail give to young people? Ahmad Zwail advised them to read more, work hard, and never give up on their goals. Write true or false. Hani, okay, and this is a story question. This is story question. Hani, Faris, Malik, and Sami found a map that led them to a hidden island. Is it true or false? Excellent, true. Sami was very confident and shared his ideas from the beginning. True or false? False. You should write T or F. Number 3. The friends agreed that leadership means helping others and caring for them. Is it true or false? True. Number 4. After the adventure, the children became known as the island explorers. Right or false? Yes, true. Excellent. Number 5. How did the friends show respect and teamwork during their adventure? How? They listened to each other's ideas, worked together, stayed close and safe, and helped one another during their exploration. What did the children learn about freedom and creativity on the hidden island? They learned that freedom isn't about doing anything you want, but about respecting others, and that creativity makes adventures more fun and meaningful. Okay, let's gonna deal with another kind of questions, writing questions. Okay, number 6, rewrite the following sentences. I feel tired, so I go to bed early. If. Try to think if we add if to these two sentences to connect them. What is the right answer? Try to think. If I feel tired, I go to bed early. And this is easily. Okay? The answer again. If I feel tired, if I feel tired, I go to bed early. You will skip so. If I feel tired, I go to bed early. Number 2, the Nile River is long. The longest river. The Nile River is the longest river. The Nile River is the longest river. Okay? Number 3, my bag is heavy. Your bag is heavier than. Your bag is heavier than my bag. Number 4, the phone is useful and easy to use because. The phone is useful because it's easy to use. The phone is useful because it's easy to use. Okay. Number 7, complete the following dialogue. Ruqayya and Sarah are talking about traveling to Japan and Morocco. Ruqayya and Sarah. Ruqayya: hi Sarah, last year I visited Japan and Morocco. Sarah: try to think. Okay. Excellent. That sounds exciting. Where did you go first? I explored Tokyo and Marrakesh, and both were full of rich culture. Sarah asked a question. The answer: I joined a tea ceremony in Japan and visited the old markets in Morocco. So the question will be, what activities did you do in both countries? What activities did you do in both countries? Okay. Wow, that sounds amazing. In number 3, there is a mistake. Here, not a full stop, but we should put a question mark. So this is a question. It will be, which landmarks did you like the most? Which landmarks did you like the most? We can exchange landmark with places. And the answer will be, which places did you like the most? Ruqayya: Mount Fuji in Japan is very impressive. And the Kutubia Mosque in Morocco is beautiful. Sarah asked another question, and the answer: yes, traveling taught me a lot about different cultures and traditions. So the question will be, did you learn anything from your trips? Did you learn anything from your trips? Okay. The final question, write a paragraph of about 100 words on the title of or the topic, turning ideas into inventions. Turning ideas into inventions. Okay, how to deal with this question? Writing a paragraph isn't difficult if you follow some simple steps. First, read the topic carefully. Try to understand what you should write about. Think of 3 or 4 simple ideas. Don't think of long or difficult sentences. After that, start with a simple opening sentence. For example, many great inventions start with simple ideas. This is very simple. Write from 2 or 3 sentences to explain the idea. Use simple words and clear sentences. For example, people think of ideas when they want to solve a problem. Or we can say, these ideas can turn into useful inventions. Inventions help people in their daily life. End the paragraph with a simple closing sentence. For example, that's why ideas are very important in our life. Yeah, it's easy, okay? Okay. That's all for today. Keep practicing and do your best. Thank you for watching. See you later. Inshallah.